So I had fun doing that CSS battle yesterday, so let's do it again today. Looks like mailbox, US mail drop-off. With a spy hole on it. So what's my approach? I think I liked, the approach I took yesterday where we just mask things out. Man, my glasses got really dirty. But I think for this one, I'm thinking that we will just do like a centered item for this black, the main body of this piece, and then do before and afters for the base and the mask, and then make this white dot its own element within the main body. So it'll look like, we'll just call this main, and then we'll put a white dot within it. And then what I'll do, say main, we'll say body display grid, items, place items, center. Cool. Start getting some color in here. Background, orange. Great. And then this main body will be background black. Okay. Getting somewhere, and then the div will have a color of white. Oh, it's not white. It is this. All right. We'll set the width and height of the center dot. Position fixed. Background. Okay, that's what I needed. So 20 by 20, maybe. And then Make that round. I guess this can be 50. And then I also want this to be display grid. Like that. Don't need that for now. So since both of them have this, I can just take it out. All right. Getting somewhere. So this will be probably 150, I guess. Yeah, 150. Height. Maybe 200. And then I'll bring it down. Does this work? Bottom 0. That's good. Getting good. 210. Yeah, and then I want to round, so I'll say border radius probably 50 0 0 like that. Okay, percent is not the right unit for this. So what would half of 150? That'd be 75. Okay, that's looking good. This this white dot, I need to bring it up a little, so I'll say top 40. Oh, but I need to do position fixed. Position relative. There we go. That's what we want. I'll do, yeah. I think we got it. All right. Now I want to say, I want to add the mask. Yeah, let's add the mask first. I'll do main pseudo element before. Always need content. So I'm just going to add. All right, that's interesting that it moved that white dot. Oh, maybe There we go. Set position fixed so that it doesn't mess up the white dot. And then I will say background, we want the orange color. And then we'll say width 100 pixels, height 30 pixels. And that looks too small, but let's position it now. I'm going to say bottom 0. Okay. Bottom 30. And then I'm going to say width 120. Right on. And for the after, we are going to create a wider. We'll go 160. We'll change the color to black and go to, all right, I think that's it. Cool. All right, that was easier today. All right. Cool. Okay. So that took like 10 minutes today. That's great. I did notice yesterday I was like tired after I struggled with the problem. And you know, this is just for fun, so I don't need to pretend to be perfect and like I know everything and be embarrassed about not being able to do weird CSS things. So I was thinking today I would try just being more relaxed, but the problem was so much easier that I didn't have to work on that. But that is something I'm working on. All right. That's it for this